That's it.
5.
Good job. Now we're going to turn them over.
Oh.
Turn them all over like this one. That's it. And get a marshmallow and put it on each one. 5. That's it. Now we're going to put them in the microwave. That's it. Yeah, you got to watch the marshmallow. Do they look squishy? Oh, it's squishy.
What the?
Is that hot?
No.
Alright, take that over there and you got to put another bicky on the top. Get another bicky out and put it on the top that way. Like that. Squish it and squish it down. That's it. Not too much.
Wow.
Rightio, get another bicky and put it on that one. Yeah.
What the hell? Oh my god. Oh.
Just eat it. It's marshmallow. Just eat it. Yeah. Good job. Rightio, quick. Put another one on there.
No, what the?
Good work.
Oh.
Put some chocolate in there. Yeah. Put it in the microwave and turn it on. And wait for that to melt. That's it. Some more. You tip it on there. That's right. Put the spoon down and just tip it on like I did. That way. Yep. Tip it on. That's right. Keep going. Tip it right up. Is it going out? That's it. And then move on to the next one. Keep it tipped up.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, I think our chocolate's getting set. Hang on. There we go.
Mum, what are you doing?
That's right. That's good. Here, get some on this one. Here, tip some on this one.
Yeah.
All right. Now you got to put some nuts on the top. Put some of them on. That's it. Put some on the other ones.
Oh, God.
You're all right. You can wash your hands in a minute, and there's tea towels over there. And other towels. Whatever you need. They're looking pretty good, I reckon.
Do that.
Yeah, you can eat one in a minute. We've got to let them sit for a bit to let the chocolate set. All right, and then you can have one. Not yet. Come back in a minute. Okay?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to have?
Oh, really? God.
How is it?
Good.
It's good, is it?